Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows is 64-bit, and that error 0xc00007b appears when launching Watchdogs. Next, install the latest Visual C++ redistributables, both x86 and x64, because missing runtimes cause DLL mismatches. Once done, run the game as administrator and disable overlays, since injected overlays can trigger the same fault. These initial steps fix most runtime library and permission issues. They prepare the system so deeper repairs will work reliably. Now you locate the broken DLL chain. Use Dependency Walker or a modern alternative to spot missing or mismatched DLLs for Watchdogs. When you find corrupt files, replace them with verified originals from a clean machine or Windows installation media. Match x86 versus x64 exactly. Then run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair underlying Windows components. These steps restore correct library versions and finally reinstall Ubisoft Connect and Watchdogs only if DLL fixes fail. A clean reinstall ensures launcher-integrated files reset correctly. Update GPU drivers and install the latest DirectX runtime, because driver DLL mismatches also trigger 0xc00007b. Once complete, reboot and test. If it still fails, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflict, disable non-Microsoft services and startup items, then retest. That troubleshooting tip usually reveals software interference and points to the component you must remove or update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.